Have you been wanting to create an online course, but you feel like you're a digital nobody? That you either have no following at all or not a big enough following? Well, I got you. Over the last 5 years, I went from being a freelance photographer to growing my online course to $2 million per year in a super small, weird niche. And I still remember really struggling and needing an audience for my course. The great news is, by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how big of an audience you actually need before you get started and how to grow a following for your course. I think what I'm about to share is going to really surprise you. It's probably not what you're thinking at all. Hey there, if we have not met before, my name is Molly Kaiser. I am an online course expert helping people just like you to kickstart their very first online course profitably from day one. I put out videos just like this every single Tuesday, so if while you're watching this video, you're thinking, hey, I kind of like this girl, I kind of like what she has to say, then I want to go ahead and invite you to join the Profitable Creator community by going ahead at any time and hitting that subscribe button. And go ahead and hit that like button if you've been wanting to create a course for some time now, or you've seen others have success with it, but you're just not sure when you're going to be ready, or when your following is going to be big enough, or how to grow a following, or how to know if your following you already have might be big enough, or maybe you don't have one at all. If that's you, go ahead and hit that like button now. I've totally been there and had to learn all of this the hard way, and that's what I'm about to unpack in these 3 secrets. Secret number 1, you're going to learn about why following what the gurus told me to do nearly bankrupted not only my course, but my freelance photography business as well. You're also going to learn how big of a following you actually need before you go ahead and kickstart your course. You're also going to learn how to build a following of raving fans that are super stoked to enroll in your course once you kickstart it. Okay, so let's talk about secret number 1, why following what the gurus taught me nearly bankrupted my course and my freelance photography business. See, when I first got started and decided to start an online course, I was a freelance photographer. I had a very successful studio and I wasn't sure how to get started. So I went ahead and I bought a course from a guru, and they taught me, well, they told me that I needed to build this really big following before I could go ahead and launch my course. So I went ahead and I blogged for a year, and I did build up a following, but I blogged for a year. I blogged unpaid for a year. I did not get paid, and it took money away from my freelance photography business, so I actually made a little bit less while I was growing my following. But here's the kicker, and if you've listened to my other video about how I came up with my idea for my course, then you've definitely heard that mistake and how I overcame that as well. This technique of blogging for a year and building a following, paired with this guru teaching me not to research and test my course idea. So as you know, following this advice resulted in my course launch being a flop. It resulted in crickets. So I told myself that I would never do things this way again. And this is how I came up with my formula called my Profitable Course Kickstart formula. Using my Profitable Course Kickstart framework was when I was able to make $70,000 in 7 days from my online course. Now, yes, I did already have that following that I had built up. So I'm going to tell you another story from April of 2020 during the height of the COVID pandemic, when I did something a little bit crazy. Now, I've helped people in the past kickstart their courses profitably from day one, but I wanted to do it myself. So in April of 2020, I decided to make a pivot. And I decided to do this without bringing any of my past followers and starting completely from scratch, because I wanted to be able to show you that this is possible, that anyone can do this, and they can kickstart their course profitably from day one with no following. In April of 2020, I decided to do what I knew could grow the fastest, and that is Facebook groups. Now, you might like LinkedIn better or Instagram better or whatever that is, but the best place for creating a community of raving fans is a Facebook group. So I went ahead and I created a Facebook group. I used my scripts and templates to not only get the first people in, but to blow it up and grow it like wildfire. Okay, so I just wanted to show you how much my students have been able to grow their Facebook group. So this is one of my students, Kevin. She teaches finance to photographers. She grew her group to 710 members in a month. And she said, starting the live course this week, and I have 20 members at $297 each, and my original goal was just 2 members. This is my student, Carla. She grew her group to 98 members in just 2 days using my strategies. This is my student, Catherine. She grew her group to 580 members in a month using my strategies. And she did $1,188 in just some of her first pre-sales alone. This is my student, Connie. She grew her group to 149 Facebook group members, and she brought in $2,485 in 5 weeks. And that was on the side of running her full-time yoga business. This is my student, Jessica. She hit 51 members in her private Facebook group the same night that she started it, which is super cool. She's now at 261 members. Her husband loved her, what she's been able to do with her business so much that he also joined my program. This is my student, Kimberly. She said 1 email, 2 posts, and I have 71 people in my group in 1 day, which is super, super cool. And she's now up to 455 members. So anyone in any niche can definitely do this as long as you know how to make a Facebook status post, which, hey, if you didn't, I could totally teach you how to do that too. But as long as you know how to do that, you can definitely do this using my scripts to grow your Facebook group like wildfire. Now, here's the cool thing. I actually only grew it to 200 members before I decided to kickstart my course. So you might be sitting here right now and have a following of 200 or more. That is plenty of people to go ahead and kickstart your course with. Now, I just grew this group to 200 people. I made sure that it was people that would be interested in my topic. And when I went to kickstart the course, here is what happened. I actually ended up making just under $17,000 in 30 days from this course, starting from scratch, no following, nothing, and building this up with organic methods. I did not spend 1 penny on Facebook ads. So the money that was just under $17,000 in 30 days, that was all profit. So let me ask you this. Would you like results like that too? So you learned why following what the gurus told me nearly bankrupted my freelance business and my course. You learned how big of an audience you really need before kickstarting your course. I only had 200 people. Some of my students only had 97, and they made thousands of dollars too. You also learned how to grow an audience of raving fans who will buy your course. So just to go into that a little bit more in detail, what I did was I created a Facebook group that was that was titled specifically to what I was going to be teaching about. That was also had to do with my course. You don't want to title your group like how to adopt a puppy and your course is about gardening. Like you want your group to attract the same people that are going to be also wanting your course. So if your course is on gardening, you want your Facebook group to be about gardening as well. That way you're attracting the right people. From there, I invited some people from my friends list, and I also went into forums on Facebook that had my ideal customers, and I provided value and got them that way. You only really need to get 30 to 50 ideal people in your group. Then I used my scripts and templates to do giveaways inside of my group so that people would invite more of my ideal clients. And that's when the group really exploded. I got to 200 members in just a few days. And this is not like just something that I got lucky with. My students, in fact, have actually had better results than me. I've had my students grow their groups to 3, 4, 5, 6, and 700 in just a few days. So this is definitely something that's very easy to do and follow. And then what I did was I went ahead and I posted inside of that group very simple statuses. These are templates that I post inside of my Profitable Courses course, but something along the lines of like, hey, I'm looking for, 3 people who want to get started next month with their online course or something like that. Or I'm looking for 2 photographers who want to add on boudoir photography to their business. People will go ahead and comment with an emoji. I will PM them using my script and I will enroll them into my course. So you do not need a big following. You do not need a following at all. You can do this within just a few days. The soonest one of my students has ever made their money back was within 4 days, just with testing their idea and then building this group and enrolling students in for the live round of their course that way as well. All right, so there you have it. That is how to build a following for your course and also how to know if the following you might already have is big enough. Now, you might be wondering, well, I don't know what my course idea is, or I don't know if it'll be profitable, or I'm not sure how to build the curriculum for my course, or more ways to enroll students. students, or maybe you're not sure how to grow consistently. Well, I am hosting a free workshop and I would love to invite you. Just go to profitablecourses.com/class. And here it's going to take you to a page where you can sign up for the class. The class is called How to Turn Your Passion into an Online Course That's Profitable from Day One. Even if you're unsure what to teach, feel inexperienced, don't have a following, or you're short on time. We're going to be covering my profitable idea framework so you can nail down your course idea or ensure the one that you already have picked out will be profitable and get your students crazy good results. I'm going to be showing you my Post-it Power Hour framework so you can create your course content in 1 hour and get your course up and running ASAP. I'm also going to be sharing with you my profitable following framework and how I use it to grow a following from $0 to $17,000 in course enrollments in 30 days, even during the peak of the pandemic. This is super fun workshop. You're going to get a ton out of it. As soon as you enroll, you're going to get a bonus of my profitable course Kickstart workbook, and I'm going to be sending you some additional free training videos so that you can start to get results and help right away. Students have had great results with my teaching, so go ahead, just click any of the pink Yes, I'd Want to Attend buttons. Go ahead and select the date and time that you want. It will ask you to put your time zone, first name, email address, and phone number is optional, and then you can click to register now. I can't wait to see you there. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a like and hit the subscribe button, and go ahead, check out more videos on my channel. I talk about online courses, everything to do with them, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye now.